There are faceless YouTube channels out there right now run by people just like you and me that are making $1,000 a day while only working 5 hours a week. When I first heard of these channels a few years ago while working at my 9 to 5, I dropped everything I was doing, went all in on my first faceless channel, and I never looked back. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 steps I took that allowed me to quit my job and start making $1,000 every single day through one of these faceless channels. And more importantly, how other faceless channels just like this one and this one here are doing the same thing after only getting started a few months ago. By the way, I'm George. I've generated hundreds of millions of views across multiple long-form faceless channels, and this is what I love to do every day. And right now, I'm helping others do the same. So let's just get right into it. Now, the first step is crucial, but also the easiest to get wrong, and that's choosing the right niche. Most beginners fail because they pick a niche with no demand. No demand equals no views equals no money. So how exactly do you find a high demand niche? Well, here's the formula. Find a high viewed video on a low sub count channel. This means that there's high demand for the topic of that video and that YouTube is actively pushing that video to a wider audience. And you can quite literally build your entire channel around this newly found demand. It's exactly why this channel here is already making $15,000 a month after just getting started 2 months ago. All they did was find this channel here doing the same thing. They found the demand, started a channel of their own, and they went all in. This channel, by the way, also only 5 months old and already making $10,000 a month. Now, you can't just start a channel tomorrow, copy the same topics from the channels I just showed you and expect to go viral. That's simply not how it works, which is why you have to find a way to stand out. If those channels are already dominating in their niche, you're not going to beat them by doing the exact same thing. Instead, you have to experiment and do something just a little bit different. And that's exactly what this channel did. Rather than competing head to head, they took the same format and the same working principles, but they just applied it to a different niche. In this case, the comic book character niche. So you don't actually have to reinvent the wheel, and that's the beautiful thing about YouTube. If something's already working, take that thing that's working, apply it in a different way, and make it your own. A quick way to come up with experimental ideas is to screenshot your competitors' most viewed videos and paste that screenshot into ChatGPT and ask it to come up with new video ideas for you based on the same format but in different niches. In fact, after a member of my community applied this exact strategy of experimenting, she made $7,000 just this month alone and is well on her way to a consistent $10,000 every single month with her faceless channel. For the next step, once you've chosen your niche and you've decided on a way to stand out with your channel, we need to come up with the first topic for the first video of our channel. Start by subscribing to all your competitors and studying their videos every single day. Try and look for videos that have significantly more views than the channel's average. These are what's known as your outlier videos. Outlier videos prove what works and reveal a sign of demand for your particular niche. When you find one of these outlier videos, it's your chance to make a video around the same topic, but make a different or a better version of that video. You can do this through a different or better title, thumbnail, scripting, storytelling, voiceover, or even a longer or shorter video length of that outlier video you've just found. And if you can do that, your video is bound to stand out amongst all the competition. Now, once you've come up with your winning topic, it's time to actually make the video. And this is where you can really start to win the game of YouTube and start making some serious money with your faceless channel. Let's take a look at this channel. They started just 8 months ago and are already making $20,000 a month. If we check their upload rate though, they're posting every single day. Now, this wouldn't be possible without the power of either AI or a team behind the channel working to help build these videos. You have to delegate to elevate. That means outsourcing the most time-consuming tasks so that you can focus on your channel's growth. So for any faceless video, you will need a thumbnail designer, a scriptwriter, a voiceover artist, and a video editor. For the thumbnail, you can use Canva yourself to make one, or simply find a thumbnail artist on Fiverr or Discord. Now, this process is what's going to allow you to run a channel that makes you $20,000 every single month while only working 5 to 10 hours a week on your channel. Your only job is to come up with topics for your videos, have your team or have AI build the videos for you, and then you have to upload those videos to YouTube. That's it. Step 5, stop leaving money on the table. When your channel gets up and running and you start to see some good money coming in from your channel, don't get comfortable. Start looking for external ways you can monetize your channel. If we check out the description of this channel and scroll down just a little bit, we can see that they're also selling merch, which is a very smart move by them. You can also look at promoting someone else's products with your channel through brand deals, affiliate links, or even create a digital product of your own. This is what usually allows your channel to make 3 or even 4x what your channel is already making from YouTube AdSense alone. And for the most important step, stop guessing how everything works. You have to treat YouTube like a cheat sheet for success. Other faceless channels all over YouTube are already doing the hard work for you. You can already see what topics are blowing up, which thumbnails get the most clips, how to write a high retention script just by studying your competitors. The thing is, most people still struggle to put the pieces together. And that's why for every faceless channel out there that makes $1,000 a day, there are 100 other channels right there next to it that are getting no views and making no money. Most people overcomplicate the process. They spend months testing things that already have proven answers. And because they don't have a clear system, they waste time, get discouraged, and eventually quit. That's exactly why I built my school community Faceless Films, so you can stop guessing and actually start knowing how to build one of these faceless channels step by step. I've already cracked the system, tested all the strategies, and I've built multiple faceless channels that are now making me $30K every single month. So if you're someone serious looking to get out of your 9 to 5 to scale one of these faceless channels and start making some good money, check out the link below where you can get help directly from me. Any questions you do have about scaling your faceless channel, making money with your channel, will be answered directly from me, whether you want to DM me or whether you want to come up on one of the Q&A calls I have every single week and say hello to me there. Regardless, there has never been a better time to start a faceless channel than right now. And it's never been easier to grow one than today, thanks to YouTube's new algorithm that actually favors smaller and newer channels. So if you're someone that constantly watches these YouTube automation videos or these how to make money online videos, just stop. Close this video right now and get started on your faceless channel today. Apply these 5 steps I've just taught you, come back and comment your results, and I cannot wait to see what you come up with. Start your channel today and I promise you your future self will thank you.